So hi there and welcome back to the White Sponge live stream. My name is David and of course I'm your host for today. So what we're going to do today is to actually, let me just dim the brightness a bit. Okay, so we are going to add the chat functionality today, or maybe I should say that we're going to finish adding it today. Okay, so the background music is connected. Sorry, it's playing. Okay, so there's a few things that we need to do for the chatting. So that is to sort of rectify what happens when, maybe I shouldn't call it rectify, but okay, so what happens when you type a sentence and it goes out of the chat area. So to understand what I'm talking about, okay, let me just start the game. Okay, we're in Windows now, and here. Okay, so when the game starts, okay, let me pause the background music. So going to the multiplayer. Okay. Okay, when we create a room name do. Okay, so we are in a room right now. So when we press enter, okay, a blinking cursor will appear over here, and okay, so by typing anything and pressing enter again, okay, yeah, so that's the chat that will appear in the chat area. Okay, but we also have to move, or rather hide the chat cursor, or we can actually just destroy it. And we also have to destroy the, remove the text that was displayed here, okay, when you type the sentence previously. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so in our multiplayer scene manager here, okay, so instead of doing this, okay, I'm gonna destroy it. Okay, so game object, okay, dot destroy chat cursor dot game object, and we'll set it to now. Okay, so we will call this method when, okay, you press enter, okay, while in the chatting mode. Okay, so over here, or rather over here, so after sending the message, okay, we can hide the chat cursor, and we can remove whatever was displayed. So enter text objects. Okay, so we have to clear everything here. Enter text object. Okay, so hide chat cursor. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to create a new method here just to destroy the chat text that was displayed. Remove chat type. Or text type. Okay, so what this does, okay, is that it will remove all of the text that appear when you type in the chat area, chat input area. Okay, so it will sort of clean or reset the area for you to type your next sentence. Okay, so to do that, we need to look through everything in this array list and remove it or destroy it. Okay, let me just change some settings on the Twitch channel. Okay, so we have to look through everything here. So text count equals to dot count. Okay, we use a simple for loop here. Okay, and we will look through everything in this array list. So text object to destroy equals to, okay, we will convert it or cast it back to a game object. So enter text object I, and we will destroy it. Text object to destroy dot game object. And lastly, we will clear the entire array list. Okay, so now we can just use this newly created method, okay, and put it in our update area here. Okay, here. Okay, so hide or destroy the blinking chat cursor, and hide or destroy the text that was displayed as you were typing. Okay, oops, hide. Hey, what's up? Swag KT69. Oh, okay, that's a really swag name you have there. Hi there as well, quite short HD. Are you having a great day? Okay. So let's pause this. Let's pause the background music. Okay, and let's test what we have just added. Okay, so to test that, okay, we are going to go into the multiplayer mode, and we're going to create a new room, a new game room, room name 2. Hey, thanks for the heart emoticon. Is that one of the existing emoticons on TwitchTV? Okay, so test chat. Thanks, enter. Okay, enter, test. Enter. Oh. Okay, so we have a small bug here where we cannot remove the last character. Okay. Okay, so that will be backspace. Oh, okay. So greater than 0. Okay, so if there are still any characters remaining to be removed at the end, okay, via backspacing. Okay, yeah, so that should fix our bug. Okay, but of course we have to test it to make sure that it works. Okay, so let's run the game again. So, okay, now we are in the multiplayer. Okay, let's create a new game room. Room name 2. Okay, so let's type something to test the chat. Okay, and let's type something else. So test chat 2. Okay, and now let's test the backspacing. Okay, so it works. Okay, no more backspacing bug. Okay. next, we have to sort of okay, so what happens when you type something that is extremely long? Okay, so for example, now I'm typing okay, notice that the characters that are displayed are not sort of updating its position to make way for the new characters. And when you enter, okay, the extra characters at the right is not moved to the second line. Yeah, so that's what we have to do next. Okay, yeah. Okay, first we will update the sentence and the position. So we have to hide the first character on the left when we reach the right end, and so on and so on, and move the rest of the characters to the left. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we need to do next. Okay, let me just... Okay. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to update the text or the characters that have been displayed when you are typing something. Oh, hey, thanks for the follow, Swag Kitty. And I'm glad that you have enjoyed the stream. Okay, I'm also looking forward to chatting with you again. Okay, so have a great day, man. Hey, I really like your purple heart emoticons. Okay, so over here we are calling move cursor. Okay, but we also need to move the text itself. Okay, so move chat cursor. Okay, over here. Okay, I'm going to create a new method here. Okay, and in this new method, okay, so this new method will be called when the text is, or rather, the text entered has overshot the length or width / length of the chat area. Okay, so this will also depend on okay, so that means we need to check how many characters we can enter before it goes out of width. Okay, as in the width of the entire chat area. Okay. So once it has went out of the width, we will start moving the text, okay, to the left and truncating any text that is on the left. Okay, but we will not destroy it, we will just hide it because okay, when you backspace, we will move the text along back. Okay, so to do that, let's sort of test how many characters we can enter before it goes out of the width. Okay, let's run the game again. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to create a room, and we'll test the number of characters we can enter before it goes out of width. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, we'll set it at 32. Okay. So once we have entered 32 characters, or the 31st character, okay, the 32nd character will be always displayed at the last position, and the first character will be moved away. So yes, I'm making way for the new characters that you have just entered. Hey, what's up, GXZ? How's your day? Okay, just give me a second because I'm just I'm just changing some settings on the Twitch channel. Okay, I think I will need my mouse. Okay, so give me a second to grab that. Oh. Hey, sorry, I just saw that. Hey, thanks, man. Hey, I'm glad that you like the background music. Okay, I'm just setting up my mouse. I wouldn't say it's hard, but it also depends on what you want to use it to achieve. Okay, but I think what will help is to use it to create small games so that you can start from the first step to creating a game to publishing it. Okay, and the entire process using Unity will help you learn a lot. Oh, thanks, man. Oh, are you referring to the white sponge logo? Oh, yeah. With the white sponge logo, okay, I am aiming to create something that looks maybe old-fashioned, but is still focused on being simple. Okay, so that's why you don't see much sort of design elements to it, but it's they focus on just two colors, and of course in a blackish background. So that's the, you could say, modern part of it, where we focus on how to keep things simple amongst of all of the advanced and complicated technologies that we have. Okay, so that's why I did not go for anything too complicated for the design. Okay, 31. Okay. Okay, public static string. Oh, sorry. Room chat type limit. Okay, we'll send at 31. Oh. Oh, hey, yeah, I'll look forward to when you return. Okay, so yeah, after 10 minutes, I should still be here. Okay, so chat index, chat line. Oh. Okay, so this means that we need to keep track of the number of characters in the current sentence that you are typing. Okay, so let's go to the update method for that. Yeah, okay, so over here, okay, we can actually just grab the number of characters in this string. Okay, chat text entered. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, so number of chat characters equals to chat text enter dot count or dot length Okay, and if the number of characters that have been entered is greater than the limit that we have just set, and that is the chat limit, okay, that's when we will move it. Okay, this is when we will move everything, or not everything, but yeah, everything to the left, and we will hide the first character. Okay, so if we have surpassed the limit of the number of characters we can enter, then we will move everything to the left, but we will hide the first character. Okay, so in addition to this, we also need to move the text back towards the right. Okay, if you backspace. Okay, so boolean if backspace. So if not backspace, okay, so this is for when you keep typing things without pressing enter. Okay, so we move everything to the left by 1 position, and okay, we move the first character, or we'll hide it. Okay, so for I less than number of chat characters, so we'll use a simple for loop for that. And the first character, if I equals to 0, so that's the first character. Okay, game object, first object equals to chat text. Let's see, text objects, or enter text objects I. Let's see. Okay, we can move this above here. Now, if this was the first object, we will hide it. Okay, but we will not destroy it. And the reason why is because you will be able to backspace and remove the right end of the string. So when you do that, and when you keep doing that until the string is suddenly less than the width of the chat area, we will move the text back again. So okay, what we can do, okay, let's move this first. New vector 2. Okay, so we'll hide it away. Okay, else. So if this is not the first character, okay, we'll just move it to the left. And to do that, we'll just use its existing position minus 0.2, sorry, 0.15. Excuse me. Okay, and minus 0.15. Okay, so hide first character at the left end, and we will move the rest of the characters left. By 1 position. Okay. Yep. Okay, I'm running out of drinking water, so let me just grab water and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So that was what, around a minute or so of live streaming time. Okay, so now we're going to test this new method that we have just created. Okay, so by adding it to the update portion here, so whenever we type something here, yeah, we're going to call it so force move chat text to left or towards left if length of text exceeds the chat area. Okay. Okay, so to test that, okay, what I'm going to do now is to go into the multiplayer mode and create a room. So room number 2. Okay, and when I press enter, and let's type rubbish, anything. Okay. Okay, notice that the characters are moving towards left. Okay, but we have an error here. Let's see. Index. Move chat. Let's see. 883. Oh, okay. So we have a bug here. Oh, by the way, welcome back, Rayfro. Okay, our streaming time is slightly later today because there was a play testing session in the morning. Okay, so yeah, welcome back, man. Okay, let's see. So we have an error here. 883. Okay. Okay, maybe instead of this, we will use this. .count. Hey, that's good to hear, man. I am doing great as well. Okay, we had there was a play testing session earlier today, and yeah, I got quite a lot of feedback for the game and some good suggestions, and we also discovered some bugs. So okay, so the play testing was in where I'm at, so it's not over the net, it's physically sort of conducted. Oops. Oh, maybe I can just press enter. Yep. Okay, so here are some pictures that we took. Okay, yeah, so that's me over there with the play testers this morning. Okay. Okay, so they are actually students from exchange students from Japan. Yeah. So it was interesting to hear from their perspective as well. And by the way, I don't know why my eyes are shut here, but that's kind of funny. Okay, if greater than chat limit. Okay, maybe my eyes are small. Yeah, but it depends on the angle which you take. Yeah, the angle at which the photograph was taken. Yeah, but based on the play testing session this morning, I'll be making some bug fixes, changes and additions in the near future. So for example, you could possibly look forward to an additional sort of gallery or collection where you can sort of check out information about the monsters and their maybe background about them. So that was one of the suggestions, because it also gives you a sense of accomplishment when you reach a new stage with new enemies. You get that sort of unlocked in that collection. So that was one of the great suggestions that they gave me. Hey, what's up, Kak Hana? I'm sorry if I pronounce your name incorrectly. Do let me know how to actually pronounce your username. Okay, if not, backspace. Oh, okay. Okay, so instead of 0. Oh. Hey, thanks man, Refro. Have you tried, or rather, I assume that you have tried the demo of the game. Goes to constants. Constants.room chat type limit minus Hey, sounds like you had fun, and that is what is most important to me. Yeah, but as always, I have to stress that if you do find any bugs or if you have any suggestions or ideas that if you can improve the game even better or make the game even better, okay, don't hesitate to voice out and let me know. Okay, because that is what I'm going with. Okay, cultivating an open and transparent culture here. Okay, equals to minus. Oh, wait a second. Oh, okay, should be the reverse. Okay, let's try this. Yeah. Okay, no guarantees that it will work though. Okay, create a room type 0. Okay, and now when I press enter and let's type some text. Okay. Okay, so the characters on the left are sort of moved away from sight. Oh, we do have to move the first character because okay, enter. Yeah, okay, so the first character is not hidden. Okay, so let's fix that. Okay, let's try greater than or equals to. Yeah. Okay, so now we are actually just sort of improving on the chat interface. So you can actually chat with your friends already in the game room, but the text will not be displayed correctly. Okay, create room type 1. Okay, I'm just typing random rubbish here. Okay, oh, did I press a space previously? Okay, let me test that again. Okay. Oh, okay, so we have another bug where there's a space is displayed here. Okay, and on top of that, we also need to change the limit to 30. Okay, we might need to -1 here. Okay, so this is all so that when you type and chat with your friends in this game room, the text will not go out of the chat area, which will seem messy. Okay, create room type 12. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just typing random stuff, so this has no effect on J H. Okay. Okay, so there's still a random spacing. Okay, that's weird. Okay, one of the possible reasons is that either one of the text characters disappeared, or one of the text characters was moved twice. Okay, so we might be moving twice. Oh, hey, what's up, golden fans? That's a rather cool username you have there. Okay, let me just test this again. Okay, even though we are still at adding chat to the game rooms, okay, but we have a few things to do for the game room. Okay, things like allowing you to choose which character you want to play as. Okay, so after creating the game room, okay, now let's try to type something here. Okay, by the way, you should be able to hear some other people having their conversation. So, okay, it's because I'm surrounded by other game studios. Yeah, so do let me know if you can't hear my voice, or if I need to lower the mic's volume. BNMUI. Okay. Sorry about that, man. If my voice is clear as compared to the other things that you can hear, then next page. Yeah, there's a bug here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, but if in any situation when you can't hear my voice, yeah, do let me know immediately. Okay. Oh. Okay, so yes. Okay, so the reason why there was a small gap, okay, is because we have to actually move the text after this line. Okay. Okay, so after it has been added here, okay, then we can move it. Okay, so now we should be able, or we should have fixed the bug with the small gap. Okay, but we still have to test it for quality assurance. So enter. Okay, now if I type any text, yep, okay, so there's no more small little gap. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do next is sort of, okay, so what happens when you press backspace? Okay, so that's where we'll have to do the reverse. Okay, and move the text back to the right, towards right. Okay, so let's go back to this move chat text type method. Okay, and over here we'll do an else. Okay, so if backspace was pressed, if the number of characters is still more than the text limit, Okay, we'll move everything towards left. Oh no, right. Yeah, right. Okay, if that's the case, we might be able to let's see. Okay, we might be able to reuse what we have here. Okay, so this portion here, we might be able to reuse it for when you backspace. Okay, if I backspace, I will have to move the text right, and we have to move the, or we have to display the text that was hidden away. Okay, so that will be the text at the front of the sentence. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to remove this. Okay, so I'm going to reuse this loop and do everything within it, so that we do not need to write additional code. Okay, so which should be more efficient. So else, okay, so we can remove this portion. Oh, okay. Okay, so now if you press backspace, okay, we'll move. Okay, we will re-display the text objects that were, or the text characters that were hidden. Okay, so if I equals to -1, the first. Okay, so we'll display at the far left of the text input area. And else, okay, so I'm just trying to reorganize, or rather make it easier for anyone to read it. So that's why you see I'm making spaces here and there. Yeah. Okay, of course there are many other ways of doing this, but this is how I do it. So here, instead of hiding it by moving it away from the screen, okay, I'm going to move it back at the chat input area. Okay, so okay, to do that, okay, let me go back to the update method. Chat cursor. Oh, okay, so we'll display it here where the chat cursor was at the beginning. Okay, so we can just copy and paste this portion. So move text chat. Yep. So over here, I'm just going to copy and paste this. Okay, that should do it, but of course, as with any other new changes or additions, okay, we definitely have to test it. So let's do that now. Yeah, by the way, this is what usually goes down when you add something new. Oh. Hey, thanks for joining us today, man. Have a great night and good rest. And look forward to the next live stream. Good night, man, Rayful. Okay, so create a room. Okay, room name 2. Hey, good night. Okay. So I'm just typing random shit here. Okay, and if I press backspace, oh, okay, we have not called the method yet. So that was my mistake. A stupid mistake indeed. Okay, so backspace, if yeah, here. Okay, true. Okay. Okay, so that should call the new method that we have just added. Okay, and now we are going to test it. And as usual, we are going to start by creating a new room. So room name 2. Okay, now I'm going to type some random shit. Okay, and now I'm going to backspace. Okay, and we should not actually move the cursor. Yeah. Okay, the cursor is sort of at the wrong location. So that's one of the bugs. Okay, so let's fix that, which should be rather straightforward and easy. Oops. True. Okay. Move chat cursor. Okay, so over here, we will only move the chat cursor if okay, if entered text objects dot count is greater than or less than, sorry. Okay, the chat limit or the character limit. Okay. Okay, so only move the chat, the blinking chat cursor if the text length is less than the chat area. Okay, so let's pause the background music and let's test that. Okay, so let's create a new room. Okay, room type 0. Okay, and let's type some random shit again. Okay, so we are going to type until we have exceeded the text length. So that's what's happening right now. 30. Okay, so look what happens when I press backspace. Okay, notice that the chat cursor is not moving. Oh, okay. So we are one index short. Okay, so instead of less than, we'll use equals to. So less than or equals to. So that should fix that one slot. Oh, by the way, welcome back, Anastasia. Okay, we are currently in the middle of adding chat. Or maybe I should say fixing the displaying of the text that you have entered. Okay, create room type 0. Hey, no worries, man. I will still be streaming for around at least 40 minutes more. Yeah, but okay, I had an interesting morning as well. Okay, we had the play testing session. Okay, and we also took some images or photographs. Okay, so these are some of the pictures that were taken in the morning. Okay, yeah. So they are actually action students from Japan, and they are helping with playtesting Stellar Stars. Okay. Okay, so these are like the actual playtesting session, and it's good that it happened because I gotten some good feedback from them, and suggestions, and we also discovered some new bugs. Yeah, I'm not sure why this image shows my eyes are closed here, but I'm sure I wasn't sleeping. Maybe my eyes were just blinking. Okay, so during the playtesting session, I tried to not sort of interfere or give any guidance as to how to play the game, because I was trying to see for how they would actually learn the game by their own. So that was quite helpful because it gave me some interesting insight as to what changes I should make the game to make the game easier to enter, but difficult to master. Yeah, but it was a good experience. Okay. Type 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm going to test backspacing. Oh, and by the way, how was your morning? Okay, backspace. Oh, interesting. Oh, that's weird. Okay, we have a weird bug here. Okay, because there's a small gap. Okay, there was a small gap again. So that should be because of this, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so this is for when the length of the text that you have entered exceeds the width of the text area. Okay, that's when we have to truncate and hide some of the characters away. Okay. Oops. Okay, that was bright. Okay, by the way, if my voice is not clear, if you can't differentiate my voice from whatever other things that you can hear, do let me know. Okay, because there are other background sounds here, and also the background music. Okay, let me just type some random shit here. Okay, and let's backspace again. Oh, okay, we are missing one character. Okay. Okay, so the current bug is with when you press backspace. If greater than... Ah, okay. Okay, I think I know why there was a small bug or small gap when you press backspace, and that's because we have to, well, that means that we have to split this into 2 loops. Okay, looks like we have to do that. Okay, so we have to move this over here. Okay, and this is the for loop, and let's move this away. Okay, and let's remove this. Okay, else. So this is for backspace, and this is where we will paste this here, and okay, over here we use greater than or equals to, or we can use greater than minus 1, which is the same. Okay, and we'll need this line as well. Okay. Oh, damn it. I hate this. Oh, hey, by the way, what's up, man? BMac Book. Welcome to the live stream. Okay, right now we are adding chat to the multiplayer game rooms. So we're testing what happens when you sort of type things into the game room. Okay, so this is for if backspace was pressed. Hey, what's up? Yourself _92. Hi there, and welcome to the live stream as well. Okay, we are using Photon, which is a rather good SDK or library for you to add multiplayer functionality or add multiplayer to your game. So it also has the ability for you to add chat to a game, so you can chat with anyone who are anyone who are subscribed to the same channel. Oh. Okay, pause this. Okay, now we're going to test it.
So that's how you do like five. If you're doing five, if you're doing facial expression, because you can go custom things and all that. So let's actually just take a look at
Okay, so to test what we have just changed, okay, I'm going to connect to the servers and create a new game room. Okay, we'll call it room number 1. Okay, so now I'm going to type some random shit. Okay, so we are just testing the text displaying and removing or hiding here. So for example, what happens when you type exceeding the width of the text area. Yeah, so far so good, because we are still only dealing with the game rooms and the chat. Oh, the game rooms is rather straightforward and easy to set up because it's using Photon Cloud, but the chat is not that straightforward. So I think I will write a blog post about Photon chat and how to, maybe more as a guide of how to add chat to your game. So anyone else who reads that blog post will, I hope they can benefit from it. Okay, so yeah. But when it gets to synchronizing the characters on the stage across 4 players, that's when I think will be more interesting. Yeah, but chatting is fun because it gives you a sense of community, even if you are playing against other players. Okay. So you could call it a sense of friendly rivalry, yeah, friendly competition. Okay, so let's backspace. Backspace, 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 backspace. Oh. Okay, so we have a small bug here with a small, which is the position of the chat cursor. And oh, I could add that. Yeah, I can add that, but so let me see here. We actually don't need -1. But I don't think you will be able to chat in game even if I add that, and that is because the pace in the multiplayer match is rather fast, so I don't think you will have time to type stuff and chat with the other 3 players that you are competing against, because everyone is jumping here and there and shooting stuff in the randomly generated stage. So even if I were to add it, you most likely will not use it at all, or you will not get a chance to use it. Okay, or unless, okay, now that I think about it, the only situation that you might use it is when there are 4 players in the match and when you are the first to die, leaving when you are either the first or second to die, leaving the last two players to find it out. So that's when you are considered a sort of spectator of the match. Yeah, so that's when I think is the only situation when you will actually use chats in game. Yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, but that is going to invite some trash talking, man. Or rather, that will definitely invite that will definitely create the trash talking situations, which will be kind of funny. Okay, not that I'm trying to create such situations on purpose.
Look at that if it's possible, because it might interfere with how the text, the actual run times are needed texture composed. Because we just
Hey, to be honest, I have not actually thought about that. Because chat rooms are only sort of available when you give someone the room name. So that will only be in situations when you know the other 3 players. So that means most likely you'll be playing with people that you know. But if even in that situation and things, okay, even in such a situation and things get abusive, okay, then the person who created the room has the moderator privileges. Quick matches will just allow you to choose your character and the character groups you want to bring with you, and you straight away find 3 other players and it will quick start the match. So that's why it's called quick matches. Okay, but we'll not be adding that yet. We'll only be adding custom matches or matches that require you to create game rooms first. That's true. So either you will find 3 other players immediately, or it will enter a queue to search for 3 other players. Yeah, in that sense, that is part of what makes it quick, and you could say that it's also more random as compared to if you create a new game room. Okay, create room name 3. Oh, and by the way, if you want to send something to me, you can actually do so now with the latest version via chat. Okay, by pressing enter and typing anything and pressing enter. Okay, so the latest version does have chat functionality baked in, but it's still buggy. But you can still send chat messages to me right now if you want. So if you want, you can join this room. Okay, and you can type anything and I will receive it here. Hey, go ahead, I'm waiting. By the way, the room name is room name 3. Oh, okay, okay, let me just grab some water and I'll be right back. Okay, just a minute, be right back. I'm back. Okay, so that was about a minute, I guess. Do you need me to send you a key? Or do you remember? Wait, let me check. Do you still have the download link for the game that I sent the email? Okay, let me just reset your download link. still have your download link that includes the download key. I have just reset it so you can use it to download again. I see that you have just used the link. Okay, so I assume you are downloading now. Hey, what's up, Aluka _J. Hi there and welcome to the live stream. How's your day? By the way, if you download a new copy of it, you might need to create a new username if you do not have the save game file. Now that I think about it, does this mean that we might need to create a login system? Hey, good morning then. I assume it's morning over there, right? Okay, it's around 3:30 PM here. The 6, are you referring to the download estimated time? Hey, no worries man, I'll still be here. Okay. It might be on the server's side. Yeah, it could be recently. This start recently, yeah, but the connection to the server is it's getting slow recently. That's weird. Yes, I'm using the Photon chat API. Yeah, the chat client. Okay, so it's you create a new chat client, you connect to it, and you subscribe to a channel. So anyone who is subscribed to the channel can receive any messages that you publish. So it's a rather good way to add chat to a game or even an application. Okay, I will also be writing a blog post on it on how to add chat to your game. So it'll be on whitesponge.com. So the blog post will be up I think by the end of this week. And I will try to make it as easy to understand as possible. Okay, so the blog will be at so that's where it will be up at the end of this week. Okay, because I will still need to add another blog post before that, which is for yesterday's game patch. You can actually just go to whitesponge.com without the /blog to sort of have an easy access to the latest 3 new blog posts, which are right smack at the center of the front page. And if you're wondering what I'm doing now, okay, Anasazi is downloading the game, okay, to test the sort of the chat functionality, okay, of what we're doing now. So if you see someone has joined the room here, that should most likely be Anasazi. so you can roughly go through like how the chat is implemented. If we yeah, okay. Oh. Hey, no worries, man. It could also due to the server where I'm hosting the game file. So that could be one of the reasons. Okay, so to set up a Photon chat, okay, what you need to do is, of course, to get the SDK, and okay, you need to declare using the Photon chat here. By the way, sorry about the background noise. Okay, because I'm surrounded by other local game studios, so you might hear other conversations about other games, which is kind of interesting. Oh, okay, I believe we have a spammer here. Hey, thanks man, Anasazi. Okay, so as I was saying, okay, to add Photon chat to a game, okay, so first we can declare this. Of course, you need to create a new chat client here. Okay, I'm suspecting that that is a spam bot, and the username is kind of, it seems like it's automatically generated. Okay, so after creating your chat client here, oh, and before that, you actually need to extend the iChat client listener interface. Okay, so what this does is that when something happens in the channel, or when your connection to the chat client, the chat server is sort of changed, okay, Photon chat will call some of the methods inside this listener interface, which you have to implement, and I will get to that soon. So after creating your chat client, you also want to choose a chat region server that is closest to you. So this, at least for what I'm doing for Stellar Stars, is similar to the list of server regions that you are choosing to connect to for the game room itself. So using the existing choice or option that the player have chosen. So so this is one difference from the Photon cloud. Okay, the Photon cloud has 5 different regions for you to choose from, but the Photon chat has only 3 regions. Okay, so that's why US is of course America, and Europe is EU, but for Asia, Japan and Australia, okay, I sort of set it under Asia. So the chat servers only have 3 regions, and that is US, EU and Asia. Okay, so once you have set the chat region, and before I forget, you do need to specify the connection protocol, which connection protocol you want to use to connect to Photon chat. So I'm using UDP. I'm not sure what the other, because there are other things like TCP and WebSocket, but I'm using UDP, which works for me. Okay, so after setting that in your, when you create a new chat client, and after setting your chat region, you can set things like your user ID, so that you know who is in the channel, or who has sent a message, or which message is sent by which user. Okay, so to do that, you need to create a new authentication values, and using that, set the ID and connect to the chat server using the chat client. Yeah, so so as you can see, Anasazi has joined the game room, and I've set it such that once you have joined the game room, the chat, the game will automatically subscribe you to a chat channel, which with the same room name. No, the room name are all in caps, so it's not case sensitive. Okay, so if I type something here, Anasazi should be able to receive it. Okay, but of course, we are still fixing some of the display bugs, such as what happens when you type. So what happens when? So right now I'm chatting with Anasazi in the game. So this is kind of interesting. So what happens when you type something this long? Okay, so notice that the text has just displays in a straight line. So that's one of the display things that we need to change. We need to move the text that is outside of your chat area to the next line. Okay, and the latest version you can't backspace yet, because I've not added that in, but the version that you are looking at on the live stream has backspace. So yeah, okay, that is already done in the username creation. Yeah. So if you are trying to create a username that already exists, you will fail to do so. The server will return an error, and the game will receive an error and display it to you. So if you want to trash talk by all means go ahead. But of course, if you are in a game room, it means that you are most likely playing with friends or people you already know. Yeah, so I don't think you would. Maybe some friendly trash talking, but not something abusive. Okay, so we have a few display bugs that we have to fix before 2 days from now. Oh, okay. So Anastasia has left the room. Okay, as we have received a new notification here. Oh, and he's back. Okay, and by the way, this is not actually directly related to Photon chat, but yes sir. Okay, that's what we are doing today. So we have around, I think, 3 main bugs, visual bugs here. So the first is what you are looking at when the text exceeds the chat area, and the second is you won't see it now yet, but okay, when the text at the top reaches the top, the upper limit or the top of the text area, it will okay, so to show you that error, okay, so another display bug that we have to fix. Okay, so notice that the chat now just goes all the way up, it does not disappear. Okay, so that's another display bug that we have to fix. Okay, because we should only display the chat text within this small area. And of course, we will not destroy the text, we'll just hide it so that we can also add scrolling to it if you want to check out whatever previous text that you have entered or received. Okay, so let me just go back to the script here. So after connecting, okay, so this is something important which I will also highlight again when I write the blog post. And I spent quite a few hours because I did not do this one single damn important thing that you have to do. If not, your chat, if not Photon chat will not work, and it will not show any error messages, and it will not connect. And the reason why is because after calling connect here, you have to actually call service. Okay, so to do that, let me just scroll down here. So in the updates method, or you have to call it somewhere else, here or somewhere else. Okay, so notice that I called chat client.service. So if you do not call service, even if you are not connected yet, you have to call service in order to connect, or rather in order to get connected. Okay, so I spent a lot of hours figuring out why the freaking chat client wasn't connecting to the servers. So I hope this tip will help you save at least a few hours of your time. So remember to call service regardless of whether you are connected to the chat servers or not. Okay, so once you have called service, it will then attempt to connect to the chat servers. So that is one important thing to note. So once it has connected to the chat server, okay, it will call this callback method on connected. Okay, so in my or rather in the case of Stellar Stars, after, or rather you should only subscribe to a channel after you have, or rather after you are connected to these servers. If not, it will most likely return an error. And once you are subscribed to a channel, okay, in this case I'm using the same name as the room name. Okay, so once you are subscribed to a channel, okay, it will call this on subscribe method. Okay, so this is, yeah, you can copy this line as it is. Okay, so once you are subscribed, you will call this, and only if you are subscribed to a channel can you send or publish messages to the rest of to anyone else who is also subscribed to the channel. So once you are subscribed, and yeah, then you can send a message using publish message here. So yeah, you just specify the name of the channel and the message that you want to send, and to receive any new messages, including the one that you yourself sent out, okay, you use this method. Okay, so this is also another one of the callback methods. So notice that over here, oh, okay, I have some print messages here in the console. So this is because Anasazi typed something in the channel and he sent it to everyone in the channel, and that includes us here. Okay, so in this method, whenever a new message gets published, okay, as long as you are subscribed to the channel, you can yeah, you can receive it and you can display it in any manner, whatever manner you want it to display. So that's basically the gist of it. But okay, when you want to create the game or exit a channel, or when you want to create a game, when someone is quitting your game, there is something that you should take note of, and that is to disconnect from the chat client. Okay, so it's important that you disconnect from the chat client. Okay, if not, if you are using Unity, it will crash Unity. Okay, trust me, because I have experienced it firsthand. Hey, no worries, man, bro, because okay, we can see what you have typed here. So so everything you have typed has appeared here. And the reason why you couldn't see what you were typing is because the current version that is, or the current latest version that is live, is that when you type a sentence that is longer than the width of the text area, the last character is always displayed at the last position and it's not updated. Not in this manner, which I am typing right now. See, so notice that the text I'm typing right now is updating its position. Okay, so this is something that I did around 2 hours ago. Yeah. And that includes backspacing as well. So look forward to chatting with your peeps, with your friends in the next patch, which should be around 2 days from now. Yeah. Okay, so that reminds me, I will also write a simple blog post on how to create and add game rooms on the White Sponge blog using Photon Cloud. It will be up before tomorrow, so I will start writing it later after the stream. Okay, and yeah, I will try to make it as easy to understand as possible, and of course it will be step by step. Let's see. Okay, maybe I will include a link to a sample script and I'll put it on Dropbox. And hopefully it will help if any of you guys want to add multiplayer using Photon. Hopefully it will help you as well. So the title of the blog post will most likely be something like how to add game rooms, or how to create or join game rooms using Photon. Something along those lines. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today's live stream. But rest assured that I will still work on the display bugs here. Okay. Okay, but look forward to the blog posts, the 2 blog posts about Photon Cloud and Photon Chat, and also. Yeah, if you have not downloaded the latest patch that was released yesterday, you can try it out and let me know how the experience was. Yeah, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's live stream. Okay, have a great day and see you soon, guys. Cheers.